Hi, I'm David Frankel, founder of Centennial. First, I'd like to introduce myself. As background, I started in the industry as a project finance lawyer. I mostly represented lenders. And when I started Centennial in 2014 in East Africa, what I tried to do was reverse engineer what lenders need in order to see projects as bankable. What we've created over the past 8+ years is a vertically integrated company that combines sales and development, engineering, procurement, and construction, as well as long-term asset management.
Centennial is using innovative solar and battery technologies to help health facilities around the African continent preserve and maintain vaccines. We're doing that by providing reliable power supply to the cold storage they use to store the vaccines and reduce the energy operational cost and eliminate the need for the diesel generators they usually need to back up the power supply. The novelty of the solution lies in the fact that we are using highly versatile inverters that can manage up to 4 energy sources. These inverters are able to accommodate 4 energy sources, including solar, grid, generator if it's available, and the batteries. And they're able to transition between all these energy sources seamlessly and dynamically in such a way that the freezers will never experience an interruption in power supply. Their settings flexibility allow us to use them in different settings, including on-grid and off-grid situations. Also, their remote monitoring console allows us to monitor them remotely and actually control them without being on site. The system is comprised of 3 energy sources: a solar system, batteries, and the grid. They all connect to a hybrid inverter which manages the sources based on the priority settings. The resulting overall outcome is a reliable power supply for the freezers where they never experience a power supply interruption. The inverter has a monitoring portal that connects to the internet and allows remote monitoring and control of the system.
Our team in East Africa was first approached by a health organization several years ago. At the time, the health organization had just lost large quantities of vaccines due to power shortages. The organization was certainly worried about the tens of thousands of dollars of vaccines that they had just lost. But more importantly, they were worried about losing the confidence of their funders in general, because they couldn't justify to their funders that they weren't able to prevent this from happening in the future. This is where Centennial's team came in. We designed a battery storage system for the organization and installed it. Over the past few years, there has not been a power outage causing loss of vaccines, and the health organization has improved their relationship with their funders. Centennial has since been able to perform the same type of system for several other organizations, and we look forward to continuing to expand this model. Thank you very much.